Here are the Amazon RDS key features related to manageability. Monitoring and metrics. Amazon RDS provides Amazon CloudWatch metrics for your database instances at no additional charge. You can use the RDS Management Console to view key operational metrics, including compute, memory, storage capacity utilization, I/O activity, and instance connections. Amazon RDS also provides enhanced monitoring, which provides access to over 50 metrics, including CPU, memory, file system, and disk I/O metrics, as well as performance insights. Performance Insights is an easy-to-use database performance tuning and monitoring tool that helps you quickly access the load on your database and detect performance problems. Event notifications. Amazon RDS can notify you using email or SMS text message of database events through Amazon SNS. You can use the AWS Management Console or the Amazon RDS APIs to subscribe to over 40 different database events associated with your database instances. Configuration governance. Amazon RDS integrates with AWS Config to support compliance and enhance security by recording and auditing changes to the configuration of your DB instance, including parameter groups, subnet groups, snapshots, security groups, and event subscriptions. Here are the key features related to cost effectiveness. Pay only for what you use. There is no upfront commitment with Amazon RDS. You simply pay a monthly charge for each database instance that you launch. When you're finished with a database instance, you can easily delete it. Reserved instances. Amazon RDS reserved instances give you the option to reserve a DB instance for a 1 or 3 year term, and in turn receive a significant discount compared to the on-demand instance pricing for the DB instance. Stop and start. Amazon RDS allows you to easily stop and start your database instances for up to 7 days at a time. This makes it easy and affordable to use databases for development and test purposes where the database is not required to be running all of the time.